In front of me is ROG Phone 8 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Passwords and Accounts. Then click on this gear next to Google under Passwords and tap on Google Password Manager. Now it's time to select password that you wish to delete. Click on it and enter your current screen lock. Then hit the delete button next to the edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!